Hi, I'm Robert F. Kennedy Jr., your HHS Secretary. I'm joined by CMS Administrator Dr. Oz, NIH Director Jay Bhattacharya, and Acting FDA Commissioner Kyle Diamantes. The United States should lead the world in clinical research and medical innovation. Instead, we've built a system that drives too much research overseas. China now conducts more early-stage clinical trials than the United States. That should concern every American. When clinical research leaves the United States, investment, expertise, and the future innovation often leave with it. President Trump has made it clear that America must remain the world's leader in innovation. Today, HHS is taking action. FDA, NIH, CMS, and our partners across the department are launching a coordinated effort to strengthen America's clinical research enterprise and bring more research investment back to the United States. As a result of this effort, the time it takes to do clinical trials in America will be cut in half. Our ultimate goal is simple: make America the best place in the world to develop new medicines and new medical technologies.
The FDA is focused on bringing safe and effective treatments to patients faster. We're developing a new Phase 1 clinical trial pilot program and providing greater regulatory clarity for innovators. We've also clarified that, in many cases, one high-quality late-stage clinical trial with confirmatory evidence is all that could be needed to support a treatment's approval. Our goal is simple: maintain rigorous standards while getting promising therapies to patients faster.
At the National Institutes of Health, we're committed to ensuring that America remains the gold standard for developing treatments and cures of tomorrow. The NIH is working to make clinical trials faster, more efficient, and more effective while maintaining the highest standards of scientific rigor, participant safety, and ethics. We'll leverage innovative trial designs, real-world data, and new approaches to improve recruitment, reduce delays, and expand opportunities for people in rural and underserved communities to participate in research. Together, we can strengthen America's leadership in science, accelerate the development of new treatments, and help ensure that patients have access to the cutting-edge therapies they need and deserve.
Patients should have every opportunity to participate in research that could improve, even save their lives. That's why HHS is working across the department to make clinical trials more accessible and more connected to routine care. That's why we reduce barriers, we improve participation, and strengthen research infrastructure. You know why? Patients will benefit. The result? Better treatments, more medical breakthroughs, and a stronger healthcare system for you, the American people.
Government can't solve these challenges alone. We need researchers, physicians, health systems, academic medical centers, technology companies, pharmaceutical developers, and patient advocates to work with us. If regulations, contracting requirements, or institutional practices are slowing down research without improving safety, we want to hear about them. We're prepared to challenge assumptions, to rethink outdated processes, to remove barriers that no longer serve patients, science, or the public interest. And at the same time, we'll protect the principles that matter most: scientific integrity, informed consent, transparency, and patient safety. America should lead the next generation of medical breakthroughs. Together, we can ensure those breakthroughs are developed here in the United States. Thank you.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.